Have you ever wondered why some songs sounds pretty much the same? It's probably because they have the same chord progression. So in this video, I want to show you 5 amazing chord progression very popular in rock music that you can actually use to practice or to create your own music. To show you these chord progression, I'm going to be using the C major scales with the diatonic chords. So if you remember, on the C major scale, we have no flat or sharp. And when we create diatonic chords, we're basically creating a triad chord. So it's 1, skip, 1, skip, 1, just like that. And we're moving that pattern on the major scale. So it works for any major scale, by the way. So on the C, it would be C, D, E, F, G, A. Just like that. So these are going to be our diatonic chords for C major. Now it gives us the first degree, the second degree, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to 1. And this is the foundation of how the chord progression works. We're going to be using these chords and we're going to move around that. You can also realize that some of these chords are major and some other are minor. So for example, the 1 degree is major, but the second degree is going to be minor because in the C major scale, we don't have a sharp. Alright, so that is how we're going to be going. Amazing, so let's dive in the first chord progression. And this one is extremely popular for pop, rock, blues, and so many other styles. Alright, and it sounds just like this. So the first chord progression is going to be the 1, 4, 5. These are 3 amazing and very useful chords to know because it's absolutely everywhere. All right, in C, these chords are going to be C because it's the first degree, F because it's the 4th degree, G because it's the 5th degree, and back to 1. And this is it. You have your 3 amazing chords. So C, F, G, and C major. Now the second chord progression is going to sound just like this. Alright, so the second chord progression is going to be the 1, the flat 7, and the 4. This is a very useful chord if you want to play some rock. So in C major, we're going to have C, which is the first degree. Then we need to have the flat 7, but it's going to be a major triad though. So what we're going to be doing is we need to find the 7th note of the scale, which is going to be B. And it's actually B flat because it's a flat 7. So we need a major triad chord to play this one. So it's going to be C, B flat major. And then we're going to the 4, which is F that we already talked about. So we have C, B flat, and F. Just like that. How amazing is that? Moving on to the third chord progression, and this one is extremely popular in pop music, and it goes like this. Alright, so this chord progression is the 1, 5, 6, 4, and in C major, we're gonna have 1, which is C, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, G major. Then we're going to A minor because the 6th is minor in the scale of C major. So we have A minor and then to F major. So we said 1 major, 5 major, 6 minor, 4 major. So C, G, A minor, F major, back to 1. Now for chord progression number 4, it's actually a very cool variation of the number 1, and it goes like this. So this chord progression is gonna be the 1, 4, 5, 4, and it just keeps looping like that, and it creates a very cool groove. So we have the 1, which is C. Then we need the 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, F to G, the 5th, back to F, and back to 1. So just like that, C, F, G, F, and 1 here. And now for the last chord progression. This one is absolutely beautiful. We can hear that one in Wake Me Up by Green Day, and it goes like this. So for this chord progression, we're gonna need the 4 major, the 4 minor, and the 1. So in C major, we start on the 4, and we set the 4 major, just like that. So this movement from major to minor is gonna create a beautiful melody going from the major third, the minor third, and the 5th of the 1st degree. So we have F major, F minor, and C major. How pretty is that? So F, and there you go. Alright, I'm very curious to know, what is your favorite chord progression? So please just drop it in the comment section just below and let me know what is the chord progression you want to try first. Alright, so have fun with these, and I'll see you in the next video.